Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making broccoli ham rice casserole. Simple ingredients. I had leftover rice from another dish a couple of days ago during the week, and why not make this beautiful dish using leftovers? The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Remember, subscribe to our Little House of Beans Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. And our cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, is available on Amazon and as an ebook. I am eager to make dinner. Let's make broccoli ham rice casserole. So I'm using the same bowl that I mixed the eggs prior. I kind of saw that the recipe was a little dry, so I added 2 more eggs. The original recipe called for 4, so I'm adding 2, and this will make it 6.